All right, so I'm here at the Cape Girardeau Regional Airport. It is a towered airport. Here we go. So I'm like right next to the runway. We've got a runway right over here. And let's see what it says. Yeah, I was right. Class D, Cape Girardeau Class D. I'm like right next to it. Obviously, if I went through Lance, I would get permission. I mean, obviously I can't fly right here because I am so close, but they have several little spots of 50 feet, and then pretty close to the place you can go up to 400 feet as long as you're not in line with the runways, but off to the sides. But so it's Class D. Definitely, I'll take a screenshot here so you can see it. The DJI Neo, I have not updated any firmware since DJI removed the geofencing. So because I don't usually use the Neo with the app, I usually just hand launch it and do one of its presets. I don't know if it calls on that or if it'll even notice the geofencing, but I haven't updated the fly safe on it. So if it does, it shouldn't take off. We'll see what it says. I can take off because all my windows are closed, doors are shut, I'm not outside. If I stepped outside, I wouldn't be able to do this because then you're under FAA rules. But inside the car, I'm not in open air. There's no way for the drone to get out of this car. So I'm gonna try it real quick, not for too long because I don't want security to get upset or feel like I'm doing anything I'm not supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna turn on the drone. And we'll see what it says. Beep, beep, beep. It's its usual booting up. And then we're just going to see. Hopefully I don't get hit with it. But it's on follow mode.
Droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow.
Follow. So it's on follow. Let's see what it does. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Close. Follow. 3, 2,
Let's see what it does.
1.
It took off. Come here. It did not want to land on my hand. It saw it as an obstacle, I guess. So I had to kind of pin it against the roof and grab it and turn it over. So, but anyways, it did not give any warnings. I wonder if it would do any differently if I was going through the app and using my phone as a controller. But again, I don't want to ruffle any feathers here. It's a smaller airport. You know, people are just doing their jobs. I don't want to cause an issue. But I was curious on whether or not it would take off or if it would say restricted airspace or what it would do not going through the app. So, hey, that's how we learn, right? We test things out. Again, don't just go outside and test it. That is illegal. Don't do that. So, moral of the story, in a controlled environment where you're in their airspace on a map, but you're not in their airspace because you're in a closed, sealed car like I am, I didn't do anything illegal. So, but again, there's like literally little Cessnas and planes taking off from here. So, don't do this outside. Don't test it out. That is illegal. Those people who are taking off just to see if they can and see if the geofencing is really down, it is. And if people find out you did it, it's illegal. Also with the Neo, I knew that it was going to be okay because there's no remote ID. So it's not going to broadcast to anybody that I'm in the air because I'm not in the air. But if I were outside, it still would not tell this tower that there's a drone in the air because it doesn't have any of the remote ID. It's not sending out ADS-B. So anyways, that was my fun little experiment. I'm gonna get back on the road and get out of here and let these people not worry about who I am and what I'm doing. Till next time, love you guys. Bye.